Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to upload MP3 to YouTube. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your browser. Step 2. Click on the search bar and search youtube.com. Step 3. On the right corner, click on the Create button near the bell icon and select Upload Video. Step 4. Click on the select file. Browser on your computer which MP3 you want to upload. Select the file and click on the Open button. You'll see an invalid file format message. This means YouTube doesn't accept audio files directly, but here's how you can work around it. Step 5. Open a new tab on your desktop by clicking on the plus icon. In the search bar, type the CapCut and press the Enter button. Open the first website in the result. Step 6. Click on the new video icon to open a new CapCut project. Step 7. Click the plus icon to upload your MP3 file. Browse on your computer and select the MP3 file, then click Open. Step 8. You can also upload the audio by clicking on Upload at the top, then choose Upload File. Step 9. Browse your MP3 file, select that and click on the Open button. The audio file will be uploaded to CapCut. Step 10. To sync the audio with a blank video, select the audio and drag down under the blank video. Step 11. Because the video is black, on the left side you can add images, text, elements into the blank video, and you can also adjust them under the video. Step 12. Once done, click Export at the top, then select Download at the bottom. Step 13. Choose your file name and video resolution. After setting your preferences, click the Export button. Step 14. Once the export finishes, click Download, and the video will save to your computer. Step 15. Now go back to YouTube, click the Create button near the bell icon, and select Upload Videos. Step 16. Click on the Select file. A box will appear. Step 17. Browse on your computer the video you just created with CapCut. Select that video and click on the Open button. Step 18. Here you can give title, description, and scroll down and specify whether it's for kids. Select that option and click on the Next button. Step 19. Click Next through the prompts until you reach the visibility settings. Step 20. In the visibility option, choose whether you want to publish it public, unlisted, or private. Choose as your preference and click on the Publish button. You can copy the link and share it and close it. And your blank video is published. And that's it. Thanks for watching our video and stay tuned for more updates.